JD Vance and his family visit Jaipur. Traditional Rajasthani welcome for US Vice President. Vance family visits Jaipur's Amba Fort. Elephants to folk dancers. Grand welcome for JD Vance and Second Lady Usha. Amid the high-profile visit, security tightened near the Jaipur fort. US Vice President JD Vance, accompanied by his wife Usha Vance and their children, visited the Amer Fort in Jaipur on 22 April. They were warmly welcomed with a traditional Rajasthani dance and decorated elephants. Rajasthan's Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister also extended a warm welcome to the Vance family during their visit. Remember, the Amba Fort Palace, which is a beautiful melange of architecture and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, has been closed to visitors for 24 hours. Amba Fort, one of the top tourist attractions of the Pink City, sits atop a small hill and is located at a distance of about 11 kilometers from the main city. After returning to Jaipur, he is scheduled to visit the city palace. Meanwhile, the US Vice President is scheduled to leave Jaipur for Agra in a special plane on 23 April morning. US Vice President along with his family is on a 4-day visit to India. On the day 1, JD Vance and his family visited the Central Cottage Industries Emporium in New Delhi. The Vance also visited the Akshardham Temple in Delhi on 21 April where they spent about 55 minutes exploring the architecture and offering prayers for world peace. Their sons wore kurta pajamas, and their daughter wore an anarkali-style outfit with an embroidered jacket. US Vice President JD Vance, along with his wife Usha Vance and their 3 children, also met Prime Minister Narendra Modi at his official residence in New Delhi. The high-profile visit marked JD Vance's first official trip to India, following his recent engagement in Italy. The Vance children Vivek and Mirabelle, continued to win hearts with their vibrant embrace of Indian ethnic fashion. While the brothers chose elegant traditional wear, each opted for distinct styles. Mirabelle, the youngest of the trio, looked radiant in a buttery yellow kurta teamed with beige pants. During the visit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also gifted each of the Vance children a peacock feather. The US Vice President expressed desire to strengthen US-India ties, saying he looks forward to working under President Trump's leadership to enhance cooperation between the two countries. PM Modi, in return, highlighted the strong cooperation between the nations, especially in trade, technology, defense, energy, and people-to-people exchanges.